Alright guys, this is going to be the short analysis of Bitcoin. Because this is just an update video, I'm not going to cover the entire count. If you did not catch the first Bitcoin update, I will post a link to that in the description of the video so that you can go back and see my full overview. You can also see that briefly, at least, in my full analysis that I released today. But there was a previous video where I released the in detail Bitcoin analysis that you can take a look at. So primarily there's a few things going on here and a few counts that I have as possibilities. So I definitely see this as my primary, this A, B, C type move. And as discussed many times, we have some kind of impulsive move with some kind of corrective move behind it. I am then looking for an impulsive move out of that corrective move. So my main priority is to capture the next short, followed by a larger long. Now that long could be part of a few different things. That long could be part of this, A, B, C. Or, well, let's talk about two options. A long could be part of this, an A, B base being completed, or an A, B, C, B, C. The completed base is becoming more of a reality to me as more and more time passes here. Ethereum especially, I think Ethereum could be bottomed out for its entire cycle. And Bitcoin, not necessarily bottomed out, but could be forming a large X wave or Y wave, excuse me, not X wave. It could be starting a large Y wave of an internal X, which would take us to much higher levels than 5 grand. So in all three scenarios, I want to buy the bottom in this next move. On this move here, I don't think the B is quite complete. I think we're putting in some kind of little flag here for at least one more push up. And even that could be an A, B, C. If we do put in an A, B, C, I think we would take out the highs here before coming back down. So I want you to be careful buying a break out of the highs. For me, a break above the highs in this corrective form is actually incredibly bearish. It is not bullish in any way. If we're going to break the highs, I prefer to first come down so that we can reset some of these indicators and come back up with strength to break the highs. This is not indicative of strength to me. If we were to come out of this long, massive sideways and just go like this, it would not make a whole lot of sense. Primarily, we're waiting for this to break down, and then we can start our next move to break these highs. So I am looking to short here. I think we'll get rejected here first, even if it's not all the way down here, even if this is just the finish of the A move. On low time frames, this looks to me to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wave to come in to complete our B. However, that could be A with our B being over here. Either way, after we complete this 5-wave move, we should have a retracement, or we should be starting our next move down. So you're waiting for a breakdown of this structure. Once we break these uptrend lines, you can confirm that we are at least correcting the next move. If 4 comes here before you come up, then you draw your trend line from here to the 4, and you look for the break down below that trend line. Alright guys, that's really all I've got for the update. Primarily looking for downside, but it is possible that we still have some more time in this sideways pattern. Given the time that's already passed though, it could be ending at any particular point in time. We're already close to 8x as long. We've already passed 7 times as long as this move down that we are correcting. So this corrective move could end at any point in time. I don't believe it's over yet. I think we push up one more time, and I hope to see that this is the end of the correction and we impulse out of it. And after that impulse, I'm looking for a larger impulse to the upside. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the analysis. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, you can come join us at cryptocurrencyvip.com and get constant analysis on many alts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP, NEO, and smaller alts from Crypto Warrior and Nebraska Gooner. And Satoshi Heavy is always in there in the trenches with me with the Elliott wave for both crypto and Forex, some pot stocks, uranium stocks, things like that. We'd love to have you. We're running a trial right now. If you've ever been part of another group, you didn't enjoy your experience, come join us for free, 2 weeks, no commitment. We'd love to have you. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.